Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add APN profile to your Huawei modem. And to do this you will need to get Mobile Partner app. You can download it from the internet, or also when you plug in your modem it should be visible in File Manager right here. Now when it's done with install, you can click on the tools right here, go for the options, find profile management, and here's all of your profiles. Now let's click on new. You can name your profile, select APN, which is gonna be internet. Then in authentication you need to give access number as well as name and the password. And if you have problem and you don't know the name or password, you can visit our website HardReset.Info and find FHQ APN. It's this website right here, and you can see all countries, networks, access point names for your APN, and usernames and passwords. So for example, I live in Poland, so let's try to find Poland. Here it is, and the name should be internet as I've just added, and the username should be this. And the password is the same as your email address. Password is the same as the name, so we can paste that. Also, it will add HardReset.Info or something like that before the name, so don't just paste it, you need to edit the text. Then click on OK, or actually wait, let's close this because we need to do something else before that, pardon me. Let's go for this real quick. And click save before that, and here's your profile. Then we can click on OK, and now you should be connected to a different profile. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.